Hey guys, Krista with Adventures by Pandas here. I wanted to hop on and show you guys our thank you gifts that we did for some of our clients. So this is just a little travel park kit that we put together for less than $15, and it's a real way to show your customers and your clients that you're thankful for their business. So this is just a clear makeup case from Walmart that retails for $5. One of our clients actually has a vinyl company and they did Adventures by Pandas on it for us, and we did a mass of those and just did that for all of them. So I'm going to unpack some of this stuff and kind of talk about each item individual for you. So first thing we have are some wet ones. I picked these up at the dollar store. They're individually packaged. They have the wet seal lock and they retail for $1. Try to put these back in as I go over everything. Okay, these Kleenex, they have cute little sayings on top of them. This one says believe in yourself. And there are 10 tissues in each pack. This is a 4-pack that I also got from the dollar store, so this one was 25 cents. Next are some Johnson & Johnson first aid. This client is going to Disney World, and of course they have first aid stations there, but sometimes you just have a little scrape or need a small Band-Aid. Why go all the way to the front of the park for that? So I picked them up a little travel to go, and this was $1. All right, next we got some Tylenol. The theme parks are incredibly tiring. They're hard on your feet. We picked this Tylenol up from Target for $2, and it's just individually packaged. There's no way I'm gonna get this in here as pretty as it was. Okay. Next, we got some Shout, Wipe, and Go. One of our clients is actually allergic to Tide, so the Tide pen wasn't going to work for her. So we picked these up for her, and these were $1 each. And they have 4 individual wipes. That's perfect for the parks because a lot of their dining is going to be grab and go. They're not going to be sitting down and having a lot of dining there. Next, we got some moisturizing chapstick. This was a 3-pack for $2.99, so $1 a piece, and of course you can get these from the dollar store as well. Okay, so this one is kind of a joint. So I got some hand sanitizer, and it's on the little key ring, so if they have a book bag, they can toss it on that. They can toss it on the zipper of this bag or on the handle of this bag. But it was really important to me that we did not get a fragrance. We have been searching for fragrance-free hand sanitizer for about 2 weeks now. We picked this up from Target and it was $1.50 each. And then these are hair ties because in this particular group, there are 2 females. So we wanted to make sure that they had hair ties. You know, girls always have to have their hair ties. So we picked up a pack of 30 hair ties that were $3.50 for all of them. There's 4 here, so 50 cents worth of hair ties. And I just clipped them right onto the hand sanitizer. Okay, and last but not least, this is a Ziploc baggie with $2 worth of quarters, and this is a Ziploc baggie with 4 new pennies in it. So the reason for this is all around Disney property, they actually have pressed penny machines. So this is just a fun way to kind of bless our clients with just a fun little souvenir. It's something that our family loves to do when we go to Disney World, and it's just a cheap, thoughtful gift to throw in their bag. And then whenever they see one, they can hop on and get 4 on us. All right, thank you guys so much for checking out this video for our client park bags that we put together. If you have any questions or something you think's missing from this bag, let us know that down below in the comments. We'd love to have a chat with you. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks so much.